अस्सलामुअलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकाता उर्दू विजडम पॉइंट पर खुश आमदीद।
Diabetes, also known as sugar, is a condition that increases the level of sugar in our blood. This sugar, which comes from the food we eat, is an important source of energy for our body. But when it rises too much, it starts affecting our health. There are different types of diabetes. Type 1, which mostly occurs in children and young people, where the body cannot produce insulin. Type 2, which is more common in adults, where the body cannot use insulin properly. And some women experience gestational diabetes during pregnancy, which usually goes away after the baby is born. Some common symptoms of diabetes include excessive thirst, frequent urination, fatigue, changes in weight, blurred vision, and slow healing wounds. If diabetes is not controlled, it can affect the heart, kidneys, eyes, and nerves. That is why taking care of it is very important. Some key ways to control diabetes include eating a balanced diet, prioritizing vegetables, fruits, and proteins, doing light daily exercise or walking, regularly checking your blood sugar levels. Remember, our body is a trust from Allah, and taking care of it is our responsibility. Controlling diabetes is not just a habit, but an essential step for maintaining health and a happy life.
But you're always strong. Keep my searching soul in you.